Yeah, we can start with,
Introduce yourself, your program, your year, and what challenges you face.
All right. I am Joshua Hawkins. I am a first year in computer science, and I have a visual impairment called optic atrophy, which is a problem with the optic nerve, and images lose a lot of detail as they pass through from the eye to the brain. Inside the classroom, I have a lot of trouble seeing what's up front, so I have to be sure to get to class early so I can get a front seat. And I also have trouble reading quickly because sometimes details are lost and I mix up words. Outside of the classroom, while trying to get around the university, sometimes it's difficult to find buildings or classrooms based on number or name, and so sometimes I need to get some extra help or go and find places early. I have electronic textbooks, and those are really helpful because I can enlarge what's on the page on a screen, and that makes it easier to read. Being in computer science, I have to look at a computer monitor quite often, and sometimes the small print is taxing. And so I have a program called Zoomtext that I use that enlarges parts of the screen so I can see where the cursor is, and that helps me while I'm writing my code and while I'm checking to make sure everything's working properly. The Student Accessibility Center is the place where I went to get my electronic textbooks, and I also take advantage of the extra time and the quiet space during exams. While being a first-year student, I had all the same challenges as other first years, getting used to the transition into university, but since I've grown up with my visual impairment, in the past I've had many people help me and teach me how to get used to new life, including university life. But because of the people in my life I had while growing up, they've taught me to always try new things, and that's been very important. They told me that just because I'm visually impaired, it doesn't mean I can't do things that everyone else can do. So I always try my best.